The ball valve functions as a closing armature. Inside the valve there is chrome-plated ball with full bore which closes or opens the flow of water. The sealing of the ball is accomplished by two O-rings of polytetrafluoroethylene known by the trade name Teflon. The ball is connected to a spindle, to which a handle is attached to operate the valve. The spindle is sealed from the water flowing through the ball valve by a third Teflon seal. The handle uses the spindle to turn the ball through a range of 90 degrees. This means that it closes and opens the water flow through the ball valve. Let's dismantle it. Underneath the handle are the Teflon spindle seal, brass ring, spindle, and the gland nut. During operation, we open and close the ball valve and the spindle rotates around the seal. Over time and with frequent movement, the seal may wear out, lose its tightness, and water will leak out of the ball valve along the spindle. If a ball valve lacks a stuffing box, replacement is necessary. To fix a ball valve with a stuffing box, gently tighten the stuffing box nut clockwise until the water stops leaking. At this stage, the nut pushes on the brass ring, which squeezes the Teflon seal and stretches it wide. This action causes the seal to wrap back around the spindle, resulting in a sealed connection that prevents any water leakage. How can you tell if a Herz ball valve has a stuffing box? Simply remove the handle from the valve. A stuffing box hex nut will be present on ball valves that have a stuffing box, while those without a stuffing box will not have this nut.